Hey guys, so just a quick tutorial today on how I made the rug from my latest render of my bedroom here. Um, Got a lot of comments about it and people really liked it, so I've decided to make a tutorial on how to make it. So you just want to start off with a fresh Blender scene. Uh, you can delete everything by pressing A and X and pressing delete. Add a plane, you can scale it up a bit, not too much. Um, Tab into edit mode, right click, subdivide, open the subdivide menu here, and give it about 50 cuts. So then you get really small faces here. Head back into object mode, open your particle settings, add a new particle system, give it the hair particles, click advanced, give it about 20,000 there. Turn the hair length down to about 0.03, really short just there. Then in source into emit from faces and then distribution random. Make sure random orders checked and even distributions checked. Then in physics, you want to change Brownian, you want to turn that up a bit, just a little bit so you can see some curvature on the hair here, just like that. Then the damp, I've put mine to about 0.1, shorten them down just a bit, you can turn that down or up. All this is really scalable for yourself, so I'll put that to about, oh, not 0.2, definitely not, to about 0.1, just there. You want to come to hair shape here, then change radius root to about 0.05, and then the tip to about 0.03. And that should be it. It won't look great at the minute because we are not in rendered view. So if we then go into the particle edit here, and just leave it at the cone, I turn the strength up here down to about a 0.1. Just mean you don't get really harsh brushing. So then you can just start to brush in some lines and then it will start to look really realistic. If you just rendered this rug by itself, it wouldn't look that great. You have to implement it into a scene yourself. But once it's in there, it looks really nice. You just, all you have to do is put a simple principled shader on it and just make it a solid color with some roughness and it'll look all good. So here I'm literally just brushing in some lines here. You can turn the strength up a bit and just do random lines here. And then that should be it. So once you've got something like this, you can do more, you can do less. It's completely up to you. It should be completely random. And if you want bigger rugs, I'd recommend subdividing the plane even more than 50. Just because when I tried it, there was a lot of free space. So if I scaled it down, the 50 cuts makes it look like there's a lot more hair in a smaller place, which I think just looks better. But if you scaled it up with the same amount of hair, it wouldn't look as good. There'd just be empty space everywhere. So yeah, that's about it really. And then you can just, like I said, just add a principled shader, drop it down to a grey, go into your look dev mode or your rendered, and it'll look better. Just add a sunlight in here, something like that. It's because we're in Eevee. I won't change it to cycles because I'm recording, but you saw what it looked like in that render that I just showed a minute ago, just here. So once you render it, if you mess about with the settings, just get your particle editing right. It's just completely random. You're just brushing it about. Once you mess about with your particle settings, it'll look like something like that. And then you can put it into your scene and have a nice photorealistic rug ready. So thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.